good day. Ako din si Gemma L. Noor Vicente Halico II. Then, I am one of the grandsons of the late Sultan Kumara Manuel, the first mayor of Lupon, the prime mover of Lupon, when Lupon was still a part of the Bantukan district. And fortunately, through his movement, nagkaroon ng parang panibagong Lupon na tinatamasa ngayon ng new generation. So, representing his generation, kasi we're Kagans, we're the first settlers of the family of the first settlers of Lupon. Dala-dala ko ngayon ang advokasya sa kultura at sining ng place na ito. So, thanks sa nine niya na wives, pangsyam yung mama ng lola ko. So, yes. So,
ito natatakuan history sa how Lupon got its name.
How Lupon got its name. Well, Lupon, that is not Lupon, but it's Lupon. Na, it's a Kagan word. It's a Kagan word. Yun yung formation ng sand at saka pile sa sumog. Not just sa sumog, but dun kasi sa sumlog ngayon, dun yung first civilization ng mga people dito sa Lupon. That's why focus dun yung pamumuhay ng mga first Luponians. Focus dun yung pamumuhay nila, yung kanilang lahat-lahat from the system of their livelihood, from the system of their leadership, from all walks of life na nabubuhay noon. Kaya may habagat, the northeast monsoon, pag habagat, dun na-form yung delta, lexicon ng sand and spills. Kaya yun yung dun na nakuha yung pangalan ng Lupon. At saka Lupon does not just mean of the formation of the blocks of the sand, but Lupon means also as a checkpoint. Checkpoint siya. When Lupon was a part of Bantukan, yung mga ninuno natin did not want na may mga invaders dito na pupunta ng Lupon eh. Kasi place talaga nila ito. That's why they made some means and ways na para lang hindi masakop ng mga invaders ang munisipyo. So, yun, Lupon is a Kagan word for block, for checkpoint, and hindi lang siya referred to a group of people, a person, but anything, everything na parang grupo or block or anything na may words na mga ganun. Yun yung meaning, yung vocabulary niya.
Ito na, separate mo naman ito na wala na.
Oo. Because Lupon was once a Moro reservation land, reservoir land. So, yung Lupon talaga before, na wala pa yung mga Americans, wala pa yung mga Spanish, nag-exist na siya through a tribal leader, through tribes people also. So they have their own culture, they have their own mga history, mga myths nila, mga folklores nila, at saka iba pa, they had their own music na that's the way of life. It is just religions came and religions were introduced and their lives now, the religion, the way of their lives now really was different compared to before.